Eva Bravo is a young YouTube sensation known for her engaging and family-friendly content on her channel Eva Bravo Play. Her content primarily consists of challenges involving her family and friends as well as vlogs showcasing her daily adventures. Notably, Eva's videos often feature bilingual captions in both English and Russian, catering to a diverse audience. Eva's videos often tackle issues like returning to school and dealing with bullying, providing both entertainment and valuable lessons for children. Born on July 14, 2016 in the United States, Eva began her YouTube journey at the age of 6 with the debut video titled Eva and Mom in the Supermarket in 2018. In September 2023, she and her friends built and decorated playhouses, showcasing creativity and teamwork. Eva's channel features a variety of content including challenges, imaginative play, and daily adventures with her family and friends. Her videos often incorporate bilingual captions in English and Russian, catering to a diverse audience. As of 2024, Eva Bravo Play boasts over 23.9 million subscribers and has accumulated more than 10 million views. Eva's parents play an active role in her content and manage her social media accounts. They have chosen to keep personal details private, focusing instead on creating wholesome and entertaining videos for their audience. With her parents occasionally making appearances in her videos and actively managing her social media accounts, Eva has cultivated a close-knit and supportive online community. Eva continues to captivate a global audience with her creative storytelling and relatable content, making her a prominent figure in the world of child content creators. Eva Bravo continues to captivate audiences with her imaginative storytelling and engaging content, making her a prominent figure among young content creators.